happy hump day and also happy National Bananas Day. So in honor of National Bananas Day today, we're going to go ahead and make two recipes. The very first one is going to be a soft baked banana oatmeal cookie, and we're also going to make, of course, banana bread. So for the first recipe, let's go and get our ingredients ready and see what we're working with. So for the first soft banana oatmeal cookie, we're going to get 2 mixing bowls, some oats. You can use your hand mixer or your KitchenAid. And of course, let's see what ingredients we're working with. So we have some all-purpose flour here at the back, some baking soda, some salt, an eggie, some butter. You can use coconut oil or you can use butter. I ran up coconut oil, so I'm going to use butter. Some cinnamon, some fresh vanilla extract, brown sugar, measuring cups in your little mixer, some chocolate, and of course, fresh bananas. Alright, let's get started. 1 cup of flour. So you're going to use half a teaspoon of baking soda. Just 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Alright, and we'll go ahead and give it a little mix. Alright, so just give it a little quick twirl. After you give it a little twirl, set this aside and we'll put it on working on the wet ingredients. Here's the mix table. I'm going to use, let's see, 1 cup butter or coconut oil. So I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to melt this down a little bit, so I put this in the microwave for about 15 seconds or so. Alright, so now that the butter is melted, we're going to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We're going to just give it a little mix. Alright, now we're going to grab the bananas. And for this recipe, it's going to be for about 1 to 2 bananas, depending on the size. Large, I probably do 1, so I would probably do both because we like the bananas. Right, make sure it's ripe so it's easy for you to mash. Now again, I hope that everybody is practicing good hygiene, even though it is COVID-19. But even if it's not, it's always good to practice good hygiene. Make sure your area is clean, wiped, and your hands are clean, and sanitized. Alright, so once you get the butter melted, you go ahead and mix your brown sugar. And then you're going to go ahead and add in your mashed banana. And now you can use a hand mixer or use a spatula. I think this is a spatula. Okay, give it a mix. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. 1 teaspoon, I'm sorry. Teaspoon of vanilla. Once you have a good mix, you feel like it's good enough, you could go ahead and slowly add in your dry mix. So I'm going to go ahead and start folding in my dry mix. Okay. Time to this cinnamon really bring it flavors. So it's looking like a good mix here. I'm going to start adding my oats. It was 1.5 cups. Just look. So you're folding the oats in. You're folding in the next one. Okay, another half. Now, if you want to make this gluten-free, you actually can make this gluten-free. All you will need is gluten-free flour and gluten-free oats. Then we also want this to be no chocolate. You can omit it. You can replace it with a little bit of chopped walnuts if you want. Now for my chocolate chips, I'm going to go ahead and add at the end when I go ahead and make the cookie, only because Bryce doesn't really want to do chocolate chips. So I'm going to help us split the mixture up. We'll probably do 1 or 2 at the time. The rest don't. Right. If you wanted to do this for the whole entire mixture, it would actually be 3/4 cups of chocolate chips. I'm just gonna grab one, sprinkle a little bit here. Mix. Mix this in. Now, once you are done with the mix, you can go put it in the fridge. You kind of harden it up a little bit, so it'll be easier to work with when you put it on your cookie sheet. Or you can work with it now. Right now, it's kind of going to be too gooey for my preference, and I don't want to make it too big of a mess. So I'll go ahead and just do this like this, and put this up in the fridge. And while I put this in the fridge, I'm going to also preheat my oven to 350. Okay, let's warm up in here. So I'll see you back here. Bye. All right, so I went ahead and took the cold cookie mixture, the soft banana oatmeal cookie. I went ahead and got that out. It's good enough for us to use. I would say I probably do 1 tablespoon per cookie. Put it on a parchment paper here. Okay. There. Oh, I got the chocolate chip ones. Right here. There we go. So we're going to put the cookies in the oven. The cookies we are going to be cooking about 10 to 15 minutes depending on your oven. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting it in the 10-minute range first and see how we go. Alright, see you there. So there we go. Cookies are fresh out the oven. I am made some here. There you go. I'm gonna let these chill a little bit. Hot, damn it. And there you have it. You have some soft oatmeal banana cookies. Alright. Go ahead and give this small piece a try. I'm gonna take a smaller piece. Oh, it's hot. Very, very hot. Very good. Thank you for joining. See you later.